start recording.
Everyone able to see?
Yes, Anaya.
Yeah, so manual correlation, nothing but manually we can do for the correlation, right? Manually we need to write the function, manually we need to write for the arguments and everything. But auto correlation, nothing but automatically it will handle the dynamic value. So correlation can be, you can do for the two ways, manual correlation, one more is a auto correlation. So now how to do for the auto correlation, I will explain. See, you need to go to the Design Studio. In the Design Studio, click on for the design. In the design, you need to click on the Design Studio. So after that, in Design Studio is a one pop-up window will open. Now you can see the what are the dynamic values. How all dynamic value you are able to see, right? This is the user section value. Okay, and this is for the outbound flight value. This is seat preference, seat type. Okay, and what are we have, it will show further that one. So once you can, for example, we need to do for the user section, you can select this one. Okay, after that click on details. Okay, click on details. So here type will be, we have the different type of will be there, like boundary based regular expression. So what type of we are doing? Boundary based, right? Left boundary, right boundary. So you need to select for the boundary base. So after that, automatically boundaries will be selected. Left boundary, this is left boundary, this is the right boundary. Everyone able to see? It automatically selected. Once you can select this one, now here correlate button will be there. Just click on correlate button. So correlation one user section is completed. Now you can see here, go to the script and we'll see function web break save param ex. So what is the function of auto correlation? Web underscore reg underscore save underscore param ex. Okay, in that see in web break save param function we need to write for the in double column parameter name, but here it will coming as a para name equal to user section, and after that LB and RB will be same how we are giving, same it will picking for the same. And search filter scope nothing but it is a body or header, ignore redirection, requested URL. So this all will be arguments only. So auto correlation time will get for the this type of. Then see, you can observe automatically replacement also done. Okay, so just you can save it and will run. Before running, can check for the runtime settings in the logs. We have the external logs. We need to check for the parameter substitution. Then run. So this is the auto correlation process. See, script will be executed. See, it is a pause. Now you can check is the user section value captured or not. You can check. So go to the up. See, user section value is captured, and as same to the user section substitution also done. Okay, everyone fine, right? So just nothing you can do for the auto correlation, nothing but just to go to the design. In the Design Studio, click on that, and after that you need to select for the which value you are doing. For example, you are doing for the seat preference, you can select that one, click on details, and here you need to select for the boundary based. You can select for the boundary based. See, you can observe in here it is showing for the recorded snapshot. It is showing for this everything, it is displaying. This is the seat preference. Seat preference value is equal to this one, right? So it is see, you can observe automatically left boundary it is taking, right boundary it is taking. After that, just you can click on correlate button. Now we can go and see it is done or not. You can check. See, correlation comment. See, this is the original value is a seat preference Okay, and you can observe parameter name is equal name and LB and RB ordinal, automatically it picking for the ordinal also. So automatically handle the dynamic value to do the auto correlation point of view. So sometimes you can do for the auto correlation also, it will work, but maximum you can do for the manual correlation only. Okay.
At what cases we use auto correlation?
Yeah, actually, for example, you are doing for the correlation, manual correlation, right? So you can do for the auto correlation or manual correlation is fine, but you need to choose for the correct boundaries. For example, now you can select as a user section. This is the section value. See on what is the left boundary? This is the left boundary. So you need check for here. It is a correct or not.
Okay.
And right boundary is there. Only we can selecting for the up to greater than, but here you can observe table border also it is selected. So while doing for the auto correlation, you need to check for the proper boundaries are we are selecting or not. You need to check. So manually means we know, right, how to pick the, this is the left, this is the left text, this is the right text, we need to take. Yeah, same too, while doing for the auto correlation, you need to observe these things. We are taking for the correct boundaries or not, you need to check.
But what case? I'm asking about at what time we choose manual, at what time we choose the auto correlation.
So what time means we don't have any particular time. So maybe we can do for the auto correlation also fine, because see this is auto correlation only, but we are doing for the boundary based.
Okay.
So you can do for the without manual also, you can do for the auto correlation also, it will work. But when you are doing auto correlation, must be you should found for the boundaries you are taking for correct or not, you need to validate here only. And after that, you can click on correlate. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing, one more way also we need to do. For example, outbound flight value also we need to do for the auto correlation, right? So for you can do for the correlation means you can select for dynamic value. This is the dynamic value. You can select that one, click on right button, and here will be correlation selection will be there. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Correlation,
Yes.
correlate selection. Just click on that. It will directly go to the Design Studio. And after that, same process. Click on details and see, you need to select here. Type will be boundary based or regular expression. You have the regular expression also will be there. I will explain that also. So boundary based also. So you can select to see what value it is picking. Name is equal to outbound flight value. Blue sky error. See, you can observe here 032 it's picked. So this value is no need for point of view. So you can remove that, means you can remove that one. Okay, that is why while doing for the auto correlation, you need to check for the properly. We are giving for the boundaries correct or not. It's fine. So we can do for the correlation two ways. Directly go to the Design Studio, you can find it. You don't have see, for example, you can observe, go to the Design Studio. We don't see for the departure city and arrive city. See, we are able to see, not there, right? So
Yes,
what you need to do, you can do for the auto correlation means you can select this, okay, and click on right button, click on correlate selection, and after that click on details, and you need to select for the boundary base. And after that, see, you can observe here, selected value is equal to, this is the left text it is taken, and right text you can observe the Denver also it is picked for the Denver, but this is the no need, right? So that is why while doing for the auto correlation also is fine, but you need to take care of boundaries. Click on this and click on correlate. See, automatically correlation will be done. Departure, you see departure, it is replaced, automatically replace also done. So it is everything will be automatically happen. This is the auto correlation. Everyone fine? Auto correlation. It's a very simple concept only. Okay.
Yes.
See, nowadays you can do for the autocorrelation is a very easy concept to do the correlation point of view. But while doing the correlation, you need to find the boundaries we are giving correct or not. You need to observe that one. So you can do for the autocorrelation also, no problem. So what is the autocorrelation function?
Autocorrelation means the dynamic values handled automatically.
No, I am not asking about what is the autocorrelation. What is the function of autocorrelation?
Okay, web reg save
Web
param
reg
x.
save param x.
Ex. So web reg save param ex. In that, what are the arguments? Parameter name equal to what is the what value we are doing? You need to give for that name. And LB RB common. And search filter scope and ignore redirection, requested URL and last. Okay.
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 So this is for the autocorrelation process, and in that I will explain one more thing. For example, I'm selecting again and click on design and click on Design Studio. Already done, so you can click on this. For example, you can have the types will be there. You can observe here. I think it is auto correlated. So I am undoing, means it is correlation will be undo, means it correlation gone. Then you can select here will be boundary based will be there, regular expression will be there. So boundary based means it will selecting for the boundaries. Now you can select for the regular expression. What will happen? You can observe name is equal to user section value. See, name is equal to, everyone able to see, right? Name is equal to user section value. In dynamic value place, you can observe in this dynamic value place, bracket open, dot star question mark and right boundary scheme. Everyone observe?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I will explain in notepad and you guys can understand a little bit more. Okay. So this is the our boundaries. Up to this entire also you can take, no problem. Okay. And Control C and go to the notepad. Now we need to write for the regular expression. So regexp is equal to, okay. So what is our boundary, left boundary? You can take this entire text will be left boundary, right?
Yes.
So you can copy and paste it here. And after left boundary, what is this value? This is the dynamic value, right? In the
Yes,
dynamic value place, you need to write for the bracket dots star question mark and close the bracket, and you need to give for the boundary of the right boundary. If you have boundary, you can give. If you don't have boundary also, you can do for the regular expression is good, because without boundary also it will work here. Okay. So what will happen means then now you can observe here. I will do for the auto correlation and which function it is generated, and we need to observe this one simply. Where it is not done, huh? Why it is not shown?
We already done one more again. We already cancelled and again done the same user session only we done.
So now I am selecting for the regular expression and click on correlate. Now correlation is done. See, outbound flight is equal to, it is replaced. Now you can go to the function. So now you can observe what is the regular expression function means web break save param reg exp. What is the regular expression function? Web break save param reg exp. And what are the arguments means parameter name is equal to, what is the parameter name? You need to give for that name. And after that, regular expression is equal to, you can observe this is the left boundary up to this. And after that, dynamic value place, we are giving for the dot star question mark. And after that, we are giving for the right boundary. And after that, search filter, scope, and ignore direction, this will be same. It's fine?
Yes, ma'am.
The search filters, everything is generated automatically.
Yes, automatically
ma'am.
it generated. For example, you want to do for the manually also, you can do it for this also. So for example, I'm taking for this example, I'm copying here. Already we have, right? Oh, no problem. So you need to do for the manually, no need to write for the function like web break underscore. So you can go to the view and select for the step toolbox. Okay, everyone able to see? Go to the view and step toolbox. You can click on that. And which function you need to write? Web underscore reg underscore save. So you can observe we have the ex will be there, reg exp will be there, web break save param will be there. For example, we are doing for the web break save param reg exp. You can select that one, click on double click. And it will ask for the parameter name. For example, we are doing for the outbound flight. Outbound flight. I'm giving value, regular expression. So what is the regular expression? You need to give for the regular expression. So this is the regular expression, right? You need to give for the regular expression. This is up to this. You need to give for the regular expression. Okay, and after that you have any ordinal means you can give, otherwise no need to give anything. Click on OK. See, it is a function is generated. Web break say from reg exp, parameter name and regular expression is equal and search filter. Okay.
Okay.
So we can do for the easy way point of view, we can do for this type of also. For example, you can do for the web break say from also, you can click on this, give for the parameter name and left boundary and right boundary. You have the save length and save offset also we have. So see, save length, save offset, and rel frame ID also we have. And you can see for the ignore redirection we have. So you can select anyone and you can give for the click on OK. Everything function will be, it will write for the automatically. It's fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is for the correlation. So you can do for the anyway, for your comfort, you can do for the auto correlation also, no problem. But while doing the auto correlation, you need to check for the boundaries. So if anyone asks for the regular expression, how you can do for the regular expression? What is the function means? What is the function of regular expression?
Web reg
Web
save
underscore
param,
reg save param reg exp.
And what are the arguments?
parameter name, reg
Parameter.
expression equal to name, search filters, and last.
Yes, so regular expression is equal to how we can do for example, I will give one thing. See, for example, I'm giving for the some token value equal to, okay, double colon. This is the dynamic value, and after the double colon, and this is. So for this point of view, how to write for the regular expression? Reg exp is equal to what we
This is
need
dynamic value.
Then
no, not dynamic value. We need to take for the left to
Yeah.
boundary. This is the
Left
dynamic
token
value.
value.
So this
Sorry,
is the
token
dynamic
value.
value. Okay.
Yes.
And after that, we need to take for
Token
the,
value.
this is the left text. You need to take as a left boundary.
And
After that, in dynamic value place, we need to give for the
dot star question mark.
bracket dot star question
Question
mark,
mark.
and close the bracket.
And right boundary.
You have the right boundary, you can give. If you don't have also, no problem. Okay, you can give. So this is the regular expression. If anyone asks for the, can you please interview, maybe interview questions, so he will give for this thing, and can you please write for the regular expression. So you need to write for the simply this thing. Okay,
Okay.
fine, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the one thing. And we have to the one more option also will be there. We need to create for the rules also. For example, why I am doing for the correlation, for every time will be getting for the same value, boundaries will be same. So at that time, what you need to means, I can do for the auto correlation point of view, I can create a rules also. So you go to the record and the recording options. And here will be rules will be there, right? Everyone able to see rules? Can
Yes,
click
sir.
on
Yes,
rules.
sir.
And after that, you need to click on new application. Click on new application. You need to give for the application name. For example, I'm doing for the flight application. I'm giving for the flight application. Okay. In the flight application, see, in the flight application, I'm creating the new rule. Click on new rule. You need to give for the rule name, like I am giving for the user section, for example, user section. Okay. After that, so I'm creating rule, and you need to select for the action type. We have the it will be there in body or a header. So you need to select for the any one of the, see, body text will be there. I'm selecting for the body text. And after that, scan type, we have the boundary based or regular expression. So we have the different type will be there. You need to select for the which one you want. You can select. I am selecting for the boundary base. And after that, you need to copy the left boundary, right boundary. User section, okay, is there, right? You can copy this left boundary here and Control V, and take for this is the right boundary. Okay, Control V. And after that, so you need to create like this for the create the rule. So for after that, we need to import option will be there, export will be there. Import means what will happen? We need to import for this. So where you need to import means you can import. Otherwise, you want to export. Already we are created user section value. You want to export means click on this, and you can click on where you need to export. You can select and click on export. So it will ask for the save, where you need to save. For example, I am giving for the save in desktop. I'm giving for the name of that user. So you can observe we are doing for the correlation. That is why it is a .cor. What is the correlation extension means? .cor. What is that? .cor. What is the parameter extension?
.dat.
Yeah, .dat. So same to correlation means .cor. So you can click on it, save it. So now we can go to here. See, we are given user, right? See, user COR. For this file, you need to import to the your team members. So for example, Swarna also my team. So Swarna already I done, right? So Swarna no need to do for the again for this create do the rules, and I will share to Swarna this, and she will go to the script and she will be import. Like go to the import and select for this one, click on open and add as a new rule. So it will be added. You can observe here it is added. So everything is done. So you can save it and you can record, and after that you need to check this one while recording time, automatically correlation will be happen. So like this you need to create for the rule. In the rule we need to create for the new application, new rule, and after that you need to select for the body, and after that you need to select for the scan type, like it is a regular expression or boundary base. And after that you need to give for the boundaries, left boundary, right boundary, and okay, and after that you can export. Okay, it's fine, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So this is for the entire correlation thing. So anyone have any doubts regarding the correlation, auto correlation, or manual, or anything? We discussed already interview questions also. So we mostly finished for the correlation concept. Okay, it is a very important concept. So our major work will be correlation thing only. Okay, already every day I'm telling for this only, right? So why I'm telling this means your work will be in scripting part, means you can record the script, you will get for the number of dynamic value, those values you need to do for the correlation. Okay, fine everyone.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubts? Banu, Pavani, Achyut? Everyone good? Ismail? Ismail,
Hello. Yes, sir.
you understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is fine. So going to the our assignment, how many numbers done for that Blaze demo?
Me and I done.
Yes, I
Okay,
done.
I say for the Swarna and Lakshmi.
Done.
Done now. Okay, you are created a script and you are done for the correlation parameters and everything. Your script working fine, huh? Lakshmi?
Aniya, one error is there. I will share my screen and
Okay, 1 minute. And Achit? Achit,
Yes, sir.
you done Blaze demo?
Yes, sir.
Ismail? Ismail?
Yes, sir.
Okay.